gonna use off with some carnation milk. This is the first time I make it in this blender, so I'm finding out how much I can actually put in. So I'm doing one rotation at a time. And then this is the Coco Lopez. And that's gonna go. Yep. I like to get as much out of it as I can possibly get. This is the coconut milk. And yes, it's supposed to look like that. Okay, so I think we're gonna do one batch at a time because I don't think a second batch is gonna fit, but I am happy to find out that I can fit it in one batch. So, this is the condensed milk. That's what sweetens it. And it's thick, so you gotta use a spoon to get it out, otherwise you'll be standing here forever. So, put that out. Then you wanna put a little bit of cinnamon. Just like that. So that's what, maybe half a teaspoon. And we're gonna put some vanilla extract. And about half a teaspoon as well. And I pack this on backwards. And then we're gonna make sure that it's nice and closed. Just gonna hit the smoothie button and let it do its own thing. I don't have to. Until next time.